Let's look at a working video of scrap metal baler machine. The excavator rotating grapple loads the scrap metal into the compression chamber. Equipped with 2 hydraulic cylinders to apply immense pressure to compact the metal scrap. This metal baler is customized with a working pressure of 350 tons. Can compact various metal bales in about 2 minutes. Once the baling process is complete, the platen opens to release the bales out. The size and shape of the bales can be customized and adjusted to meet specific requirements.